brand is called Carpet Couture by Rashi. I'm Rashi, I'm the head designer, and we make premium carpets for hotels, residences and bespoke offices. We have our own factory and we can customize carpets.
What is your specialty?
Firstly, customization. Secondly, the materials we use wool, New Zealand wool, pure silk, mulberry silk, bamboo silk, and our designs are very new. We come up with new design collections every 2 months. These designs are made in keeping in mind the interiors of these urban interiors, and because it's handcrafted, it's completely based on luxury and bespoke interiors.
Okay.
UID Ahmedabad, and we specially came from Ahmedabad to Hyderabad to view this Ace Tech exhibition, and it has been a great experience, especially the High-Tech X because how they exhibited their products are really exciting, and you should really come and see.
And she's talking about the lightings. So lighting is the most important part of interior as well as the exterior, which highlights the interiors and the important things, which makes the thing more attractive and visibly good. Also talking about other things, the furnitures and the hydraulics and other things. So it is very much creative and we have a lot of things to learn about it.
We are students from UID Ahmedabad, and especially came to Hyderabad to see this exhibition Ace Tech, and it is really a great experience. Especially the exhibition stall in terms of designing I like is the High-Tech, and they have really showcased their products, and the structure they have created is really nice.
Years, हम लोग scaffolding and recent aluminum में step in किया हम लोगों ने. और कितना बोलना मतलब क्या बंदे पे जाए.
One day.
So
Okay.
we winters have been dealing for the last 25 years. So we deal in scaffolding and aluminium formwork. हम लोग all over India around 2000 sites में हम लोग मेटल देते हैं और हम लोग काम करवाते हैं. We somehow related to construction business. So we lease it out as well as we sell it out. So recently around 3 years back, Mr. Anish Kedia ji, co-founder of Indus Aluminium. So we started this aluminium formwork, and it's a very smart way of constructing the building and very efficient one as well.
तो एक लाइन में बात कहना चाहूँगा, वी विंटर्स पीपल आर लाइक दिल से एंड लगातार जो काम करते हैं दिल से करते हैं, लगातार करते हैं. कस्टमर क्लाइंट सेटिस्फेक्शन इज़ आवर प्रायोरिटी. प्रोडक्ट सेलिंग या कोई पैसा कमाना हमारी आज की डेट में रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है.
Okay.
आज की डेट में रिक्वायरमेंट है कैसे हम क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा कर पा रहे हैं, क्लाइंट की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्यूशन दे पा रहे हैं, इस तरह से हम उसके प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर एज ए पार्टनर उसका काम कर पा रहे हैं. तो ये एनर्जी हमारे अंदर है कि हम उसको पैशनेटली कर सकते हैं और हम कहीं भी पीछे नहीं है. हर प्रोजेक्ट के हर क्लाइंट के साथ हम खड़े रहते हैं. तो एज ए पार्टनर, एज ए क्लाइंट सेटिस्फेक्शन, एज ए क्लाइंट सॉल्यूशन, वी आर गिविंग एंड वी आर इन द मार्केट. सो विंटर्स इज आप कह सकते हो कि ये उसके एथिक्स हैं और इसीलिए हमारी पहचान है.
Winter is always ready to service industry और हम बेस्ट टू बेस्ट सर्विस अपने क्लाइंट को देने के लिए मजबूर हैं और आगे भी यही कंटिन्यू करते रहें.
थैंक यू.